Hi friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel AI Wale.
In today's video I will be exploring brand new OPPO K10 live without limits.
OPPO K10's 50MP AI triple camera gives you millions of pixels to work with for crafting more colorful, well-lit photos and videos. It doesn't breathe fire, but the Qualcomm-registered Snapdragon trademark 680 CPU does deliver faster charging, 20% improved battery performance, and 6nm architecture that provides an additional 10 hours of audio playback and 30 minutes of video streaming. Superscript 1. OPPO K10 features dynamic memory with expandable RAM and internal storage to make sure you have more speed and space for saving your favorite moments whenever you need it. With a big 5000 mAh battery, you'll have enough power to tackle everything your day throws at you. When your battery is low, 33W SuperVOOC charging keeps you going with a full lineup of optimized charging features, like nighttime standby and super power saving mode. When the battery is low, super power saving mode prioritizes battery power for urgent tasks so you can keep making calls or using apps like WhatsApp for hours with under 10% battery life. When you launch games using Game Space, the phone automatically enters game focus mode, which blocks unwanted messages and notifications, and turns off unnecessary functions to help you keep your eyes on the prize. OPPO K10 comes with a fast and responsive fingerprint sensor on the side of the phone, so you can unlock your display quickly without fumbling with your mask or trying to remember passwords. OPPO India. Ready for some awesome selfies? Snap crystal clear selfies with the 16MP AI selfie camera and show us your good side. OPPO K10's 50MP AI triple camera gives you millions of pixels to work with for crafting more colorful, well-lit photos and video.
Thank you for watching our video. Please share your fruitful review about the video and subscribe our channel's AI Wale for more updates on technology, health, tech news, earning tips and much more. Thanks. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.